So going into today's session, let's look at gold, and today is the 24th of August 2026. So looking at the daily time frame, you can see that price is currently at the daily supply area. So over here we tend to get rejection from this area over here. So if this daily supply fails, we have another daily supply, but it is slightly mitigated. So what I think over here is, since we have this bearish structure over here, we pull back into the EQ of the level, and this is where price usually tend to react and we get a pullback from these areas. So from the daily perspective, I would be cautious looking for longs over here, because these are the area where price tend to react. So right now, if we purely look at structure over here, it's a bearish structure. We had the pullback and we should be expecting price reversing to the downside from here. So let's see on the H4. So looking at the recent price action on the H4, price mitigated this daily supply, and we could have a reaction, a short-term pullback. At least maybe if we get a failure of this level, we could expect a pullback into this H4 demand or into this daily demand. So I think this daily demand is a great value area to look for a continuation to the upside if price is going to the upside. But structure wise, I feel like the daily structure is bearish, and maybe if price wants to continue to the downside, this is where it's going to make a move. So looking at the H4, I won't be interested in any long position over here, and this is a danger zone. So let's see on the H1. So looking at the recent price action on the H1, yesterday on my weekly outlook, I mentioned that if this H1 demand hold, we could see price pushing to the upside one more time. So now it pushed to the upside, came into this daily supply, and we could expect a reaction from here. So to see a start of a pullback, we need to break below this level, and we need to see a lower high, lower low formation, so that we know price is pulling back and shorts will be more favorable during that time. So right now I'm not looking for any long position, because we are in a danger zone area and we could have a pullback anytime soon. So I would suggest observing price, what happens over here. Maybe we could see a pullback, or it could even push deeper, and then we could see a pullback to the downside. So right now I'm not looking for any long positions on gold. I'm only waiting for a pullback so I can play the pullback.